So I guess what I could do, grab this horn, grab this section, edit, copy, edit, paste, edit, transform, flip. Oh, this needs to be really far behind. Maybe a little bit darker as well. Okay. Like that. Yeah, okay, works. Perfect. I am tired and in pain. No, what's wrong? Are you okay? What happened? If the answer is I didn't sleep enough, I have less sympathy, but hopefully that is not the case. Waits patiently. What the fuck is that? Okay. Right, we need to name all the layers, save them all out, and then this one's done. We got 2 more to do. And hopefully they're a little bit easier. This one was actually quite difficult. A lot of layers, a lot of sections. What am I doing? Okay. R. Arm. Arm. R. Horn. Horn. R. I. 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 Call this the jaw. Outer mouth. I don't know if that's what you call it, but it's fine. Bottom teeth. Oh, teeth. Tongue, you. Inner mouth. Head. Front shoulder. Breastplate. Torso. Back. There. And yeah, perfect. Save. I missed my wrist at work and I don't feel like I got any sleep at all. No. Oh my god, wrist pain. You need to like look after your wrist as well, because if you keep using it and it's injured, you're just gonna keep making it worse and worse. So make sure you are resting it and you don't use it. Even go out your way to get like a medical note to exempt you, because don't fuck up your hand. It's not worth it. I always feel bad because sometimes I fuck up my own wrist drawing too much, and I'm like, sorry guys, I can't draw for a bit. Please forgive me. It makes me so anxious as well. Okay, Control C, Control V. Control V. I feel like for this one I might need to separate the hands, but I think I'll keep them all together, and then if I do, I'll adjust the file. Oh god, that's funny. Medical exam that cost me a ton of money. Oh, and then I make that money if I can't work. I'm in America. It's great. Work. Oh no, fuck. Have you got a wrist strap? They're pretty cheap. You can usually get them from like a pharmacy or somewhere, or even out.